Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we will explore how to make your Google Slides more visually appealing by adjusting the opacity of various elements. Whether you're highlighting key points or creating captivating designs, opacity control is a powerful tool. Let's dive in. 1. Select the shape, choose the shape, rectangle, circle, etc., whose transparency you want to modify. 2. Access the fill color options, click on the paint bucket icon in the toolbar. This action will bring up the fill color choices. 3. Customize transparency, click the symbol located under the custom section in the fill color tab. A window will open, allowing you to adjust the transparency slider. Slide it left to increase transparency, make the shape more see-through. Once you achieve the desired level, click OK. 4. Apply the same technique to text. Yes, you can change the transparency of text too. Insert word art by going to Insert Word Art, type out the text you want to use. Follow the same steps as outlined above to adjust transparency. 5. Opacity for images. To alter image opacity, open your Google Slides presentation. Click on the image you want to modify, press the Format Options icon in the toolbar. In the Adjustments tab, move the opacity slider left or right. Happy creating! If this tutorial helped you, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips.